Survival backpacks are more than just travel bags. They are compact, modular systems designed to carry critical gear for emergencies, bug-out scenarios, or extended outdoor trips. The right pack balances capacity, durability, organization, and comfort while remaining within a realistic budget. In this comparison, I evaluate 5 widely available models across a $31.99 to $42.99 price range. Product number 1, QT. The QT and QY model offers a compact 25L option with an optional 45L designation, featuring a 900D polyester construction, laser-cut MOLLE-like webbing, and dual bottle holders on the sides. It includes a 15-inch laptop compartment and 3 main compartments with built-in zippered and mesh pockets. The pack is designed for versatility, with a large Velcro area for patches and a flat 180-degree opening for easy packing. At a price of $31.99, it positions itself as a budget-friendly, all-purpose tactical backpack with generous interior organization and a strong emphasis on modularity. In practice, the 900D fabric is robust for daily wear and light outdoor use, and the double-stitched construction plus reinforced stress points suggests solid durability for intermittent field use. The laser-cut MOLLE design expands compatibility with pouches and add-ons, which is essential if you're building a bug-out kit on a budget. The 2 side bottle holders are a practical touch for hydration on the go, though the capacity for larger bottles is limited. Comfort-wise, the padded shoulder straps and mesh back offer ventilation, but the overall weight distribution may feel a bit light for heavier loads, especially if you approach the upper 25L capacity with dense gear. Product number 2. Rebo Gear Military Tactical Backpack Large Army 3-Day Assault Pack MOLLE Bag Backpacks. Rebo Gear's 40L Assault-style backpack is a well-established contender in the 3-day range, built around dense fabric and a full MOLLE framework with a hydration bladder-friendly design, hydration bladder not included. It clocks in at $42.99 and measures roughly 11 by 13 by 20 inches with a 40L capacity. It emphasizes a ventilated back panel, heavy-duty zippers, and multiple compression points to stabilize loads, suited for longer treks, daily carry, or as a rugged bug-out bag. In terms of performance, the 40L Rebo Gear is sturdy with reinforced seams and a comprehensive MOLLE layout across the front and sides for extensive customization. The harness system is designed for all-day comfort, though the absence of included hydration means users must pair it with their own bladder. The backpack excels at urban to wilderness transitions thanks to its modularity and robust hardware, while the 2.72-pound empty weight is reasonable for a pack of this size. It's a strong all-arounder for users who want a proven, mass-market MOLLE system with dependable durability. Product number 3. CV Life Tactical Backpack Military Army Rucksack 60-liter Large Assault Pack Detachable MOLLE Bag. The CV Life 60L model is positioned as a larger capacity option within the tactical backpack category. While priced at $36.08, it markedly exceeds the 25 to 40-liter range of the others, offering a substantial 60-liter volume that can accommodate heavier gear and longer trips. It features MOLLE webbing, detachable compartments, and a broad footprint that supports heavy-duty organization and gear segregation. This backpack is aimed at users who anticipate carrying more equipment or who want a more expansive bug-out or expedition pack. With greater capacity comes greater weight and potentially reduced mobility. The 60-liter CV Life design generally benefits from modular detachment options and multiple compartments, but users should expect a bulkier profile and longer setup time for proper organization. Fit and comfort depend heavily on torso length and waist belt adjustability. Without an internal frame or highly specialized suspension, long hauls may require careful load balancing. For emergency kits or expedition kits, the extra space can be a major advantage, but the trade-off is weight and bulk. Product number 4. Survival Kit. This entry diverges from the traditional survival backpack by combining a 250-piece survival, first aid, and tools kit with a mall-compatible carry bag. The KNV-IBN bundle includes emergency shelter, tools, and medical supplies designed for earthquake, bug-out, or general preparedness. It's a cross between a compact survival kit and a dedicated bag, with a focus on rapid response and medical readiness rather than backpacking efficiency. Availability is listed with a price. The kit is heavy on contents, and the bag acts as a conduit for quick access to essential gear. In practice, this kit is best viewed as a comprehensive preparedness bundle to be paired with a separate backpack. It excels in immediate medical response and multi-tool readiness, but the product's primary strength lies in the breadth of included items rather than pack comfort or field practicality for prolonged carries. For users seeking a single all-in-one emergency solution within a single crossbody bag, it offers significant value, especially given the included components and 1-year warranty, but it does not compete as a standalone field backpack for regular hiking or camping. Product number 5. Gifts for Men Christmas Survival Kit. Pixado's 258-piece survival kit pairs a 25-liter tactical backpack with an extensive gear set, including water filter, emergency tent, LED lantern, and a 14-in-1 multi-tool, all organized within intelligent compartments and MOLLE webbing. The design emphasizes a self-contained, high-coverage kit for outdoor adventures and emergency readiness, with a price context implied by the bundled approach. The 25-liter Pixado system aims to maximize accessibility, with 2 main storage zones, front pockets, and a back compartment for valuables. The 258-piece kit spans shelter, fire, signaling, water, medical, and basic tools, delivering broad capabilities in a single purchase. However, this model's value hinges on how well the gear integrates with real-world use. Some items may be redundant for seasoned outdoors enthusiasts, while others may be essential for new buyers seeking a comprehensive starter kit.